surprises! So it is harvest season in our backyard. I have 2 apple trees full of apples that are ready to be picked. So in today's video, we are going to be making some homemade applesauce in the Instant Pot. So let's go spice things up.
The first step is to core and slice your apples. I am coring about 15 apples.
Okay, so I filled the pot right below the max line. And now we are going to squeeze a half of a lemon right over these apples. And a half a cup of sugar. Of course, you can use stevia or whatever one you prefer. And 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. And now 2 cups of water. Alright, so now I added the pot into the base, and we are just going to put the lid on and turn it to sealing. Okay, so I'm going to press the manual button, and we want to cook it for 6 minutes, and then I'm going to let it naturally release for about 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, so now I'm just going to release the valve. Alright, time to open it up. Okay, so now you want to get either a blender or a potato masher and just start mashing them. For me, I like a potato masher better because I like little chunks in mine. I do not really like it like baby food. Alright, this is pretty good. Now, if you do not like your applesauce as runny, you can always add 1 cup of water to this instead of 2 cups. And then from here, I like to put my applesauce in the fridge to cool because I like nice cold applesauce. But if you like yours like fresh, hot apple pie, you can of course eat yours warm.
This right here is the perfect healthy after school snack that your kids and your family will love. And extremely easy to make. I hope you give it a try. Well, if you'd like to see any more videos, click this link or this link. If you'd like to subscribe, click my face. And remember, I'm always here to help you make beautiful memories through food. Bye, and see you in the next video.